Silk presents the least challenging challenge in the world.
It's a beautiful day for a challenge, isn't it? And I'm standing here with Queena. Queena, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, Queena. This challenge is very exciting. It's called Reach for the Prize.
Okay.
And you'll note that the prize is a nice, shiny dollar bill. Are you excited about that? Times are tough, people. So, this is what we're going to do.
Okay.
It's called Reach for the Prize. You have to try and grab that dollar bill. But here's the catch. You can't touch this barrier.
Okay.
See if you can do it.
Here we
Come
go.
on, give it a shot. Give it a shot. It's really hard. So it's not hard at all. It's easy. Oh my gosh. She just,
Oh my gosh!
You know what else is this easy? Switching from milk to silk in your cereal. Most people prefer the taste of Silk vanilla on their cereal over dairy milk. Silk has 50% more calcium than typical dairy milk.
All right, Queena. This is our true reward. What do you think?
Awesome. Truly.
It's easy when it's true.